World's largest land vehicles. Belay's 75710. Belay's 75710 is a giant mining truck and one of the biggest dump truck in the world. In mining, bigger trucks mean better efficiency, and this one is built to carry massive amounts of material. Working in Siberian coal mines, it can haul a weight of as big as 496 tons, that two in one trip. That is as equal as two double-decker buses placed end to end. Even with its enormous size, it runs almost all day long, that is about 23 hours straight. The 8 giant tires are so big that an average person would only reach halfway up. Surprisingly, this truck can still drive at 64 km per hour. Schwere Gustav. It was the largest caliber rifled artillery weapon ever used in warfare. Built by Germany during World War II, it weighed about 1,350 tons and required a crew of 250 men just to assemble it. The gun was mounted on rail tracks and fired 7-ton shells that could penetrate 1 meter of steel or 7 meters of concrete from over 39 kilometers away. However, due to its enormous size and slow mobility, it was impractical for battlefield use and was eventually destroyed. Komatsu P&HL 2350. Next we have a giant wheel loader Komatsu P&HL 2350, which is one of the largest wheel loader in the world. It's designed to lift huge amounts of material and fill up trucks like the Belay's. It stands 2 stories tall and weighs around 272 tons. It can lift about 80 tons in a single scoop, that's the same weight as a military tank. This machine isn't built for speed, but when it comes to lifting, only few machines can match its power. Liebherr LR 13000. It is considered one of the strongest crane and is indeed most powerful crawler crane in the world. It's used for lifting massive objects like power plant parts and construction materials. This crane can lift 3,300 tons in one go. It reaches a height of 248 meters, which is about the length of 2.5 football fields. Big Muskie. It was one of the largest dragline excavators ever built, weighing 12,200 metric tons. It stood around 22 stories high and was specifically designed for coal mining in the US. Its massive bucket could hold about 325 tons of material in just a single scoop, which is large enough to fit 2 buses inside. It operated from 1969 to 1991, but later due to high operational costs, it was retired and later scrapped in year 1999. Caterpillar 6090Fs. The mega excavator Caterpillar 6090Fs is the world's largest hydraulic excavator. This monster is built for digging and lifting heavy loads in mining operations. And it can lift up to 103 tons in just one go and move about 10,000 tons of earth every hour. At 13.5 meters long and 10 meters tall, it's about the size of a 3-story building and weighs as much as 5 blue whales. Bridge F-60. It is one of the largest mobile machine ever built, often called as the Lying Eiffel Tower due to its massive size. It is a conveyor bridge used in brown coal mining in Germany, designed to transport huge amounts of overburden. This enormous structure is 502 meters long, 202 meters wide, and 80 meters high, making it the longest land vehicle in the world. Despite its 11,000-ton weight, it was engineered to move across mining sites efficiently. Today, the Bridge F-60 is no longer in operation but serves as an industrial monument and tourist attraction, symbolizing Germany's mining history and technological advancements.